Hello children, today we are going to see subtraction using a small activity. Here you can see ones place and tens place. Using this abacus kit, we are going to do the subtraction sum. You can see on the board. Here you can see here ones place and tens place. 56 minus 24. We are going to subtract 24 from 56. Okay. First, the bigger number is 56. Okay. So, I am going to take the 56 on my abacus tool. Okay, children. You can see here, in the ones place, we got 6. So, I am going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Good. Okay, so we got 6 beads. Here in the tens place we got 5. So I am going to take 5 beads in my tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here we got 5. Yes. So here 5 and 6 ones. 5 tens and 6 ones. So we got 56 on our tool. Now we are going to subtract 24 from 56. So we are going to take away 4 from 6 beads. Shall we move? Yes. 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we got. So, how many beads remaining? 1 and 2. So, we got 2 in the ones place. We got 2 beads. So, we are going to write 2 in the ones place. Okay. Now, we are going to jump to the tens place. Here, we got 5 minus 2. We are going to subtract 2 from 5. Now, how many beads we have to take away? Yes, we have to take away 2 beads. So, let us take 2 beads. 1, 2. At last, how many beads we got? 1, 2 and 3. So, 3 in the tens place. Okay, children? Can you see the 3 beads? Yes. So, here 3 in the tens place. So, the answer is 32. Now, children, we are going to make more interesting regarding subtraction. In the sum, what you can see here? 32 minus 15. We are going to subtract 15 from 32. As usual in the ones place, you can see here 2 minus 5. It is not possible to subtract 5 from 2. So, what we are going to do? We are going to regroup this sum, okay? With the help of the abacus, we are going to regroup it. Let us see how to regroup with the abacus, okay? Here, note down the number 3 in the tens place and 2 in the ones place. Now 3 in the tens place, okay? 1, 2 and 3. And 2 in the ones place. 1, 2. Okay, children? Now, how to subtract 5 from 2? It is not possible to subtract. So, we are going to get 110 from the tens place. We are going to put in the ones place. Here is a tens bead. It is not possible for us to put in the ones place. So, 110 is equal to 10 ones. So, now I am going to put 10 ones here. Instead of 1 tens bead, we are going to put 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 6, 7, 8, 9 and at last 10. So we got how many beads totally in the ones place? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, now we got 12 in the ones place. So we can write here this 3 is giving a 110 to this ones. So this 2 is becoming 12. Okay. This 3 will become as 2. Okay children, now it is easy for us to subtract 5 from 12. Now how many beads we have to take? Yes, 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Super. Remaining how many beads are there? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got 7 ones. So let us write here 7 ones. 2 minus 1 in the tens place. So from 2 beads we are going to take 1 beads away. So how many is remaining? Yes, 1. Let us write here 1. So in the regrouping sum, we got 17 is the answer. Is it clear? You can do this activity at home, children. You can regroup the sums and you can learn a lot. Enjoy doing and learning. Okay, bye.